Hello everyone, it's Justin here again at Johnson RV. We are America's #1 premium pre-owned RV dealership. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of actually one of our new lines. This is going to be a 2019 Winnebago Sunstar. Absolutely gorgeous Class A gas unit. This is going to be the 29 VE model. I'm going to take you on a tour. I'm sure you're going to have questions. Make sure you give me a buzz at the end of this video. So, starting off with the chassis itself, we are sitting on the Ford V10 Triton engine. So, plenty of power, get you over those mountain hills down to where your destination is going to be, where you're camping. Here you're going to have your mirrors. They are fully powered, heated. Here you're actually going to have a blind spot camera. Hit the blinker. It's going to show you straight down the side of the coach, be able to make sure you can change lanes with ease. Swinging on back this way, you're going to notice that we do have fully functional electric awning. Touch of a button, that's going to come in and out, keep you out of the sun, keep you out of the rain, hanging out. We do have electric steps here. When you open and close this door, these steps are going to go in and out. They also provide you with this great grab handle here. Makes getting in and out a lot easier. Swinging back this way, you do have a little bit of storage area. This is going to pass up and over. Oh, yow. Yeah, and then moving on back here, you do have an inverter located here as well as additional storage. A little more storage there as well. And then for my favorite aspect of this coach, you have your fully functional outdoor kitchen. Comes with storage here, pantry storage, nice solid surface countertop, stainless steel sink, additional storage below, Insignia outdoor refrigerator, basically all the bells and whistles you could need in an outdoor kitchen. Swinging around to the back, Winnebago gives you the integrated backup camera. You do have full access ladder, floor to ceiling. That way you can get up there, check your seals. Something that I really like that they did with this particular model is they've got your furnace exhaust pointed at the back. So it's not going to be on either side, so won't have to worry about burning anybody. That being said, we are also already fully equipped to do towing, whether it's a car or a boat. This is set up for 5,000 pounds, and you're already pre-wired with your 7-pin there. So hook in, you're ready to rock and roll. Swinging around this side, you'll notice that we have a full wall slide here. This goes the entire length of the coach. It's going to open up the interior. We're going to see when we get inside. They also give you the slide topper there. That's going to keep debris and moisture outside of your slide mechanism. Working our way down this side, they are going to give you your Awning generator here. That is going to be a gas generator connected to your fuel tank. This is going to be your shore power. Basically, this hose is going to be where you, or cord is going to be where you plug in when you arrive at your camp spot, should you be going somewhere where you've got full hookups. Beneath or behind that, we've got additional storage. And we're going to have your waterworks here. This is basically an all-in-one center. You've got your gray dump, your black dump. You've got your city water and freshwater hookups here. You've got a waste pump as well as a water filter there. So everything's going to be in one location for you. The compartment here, this is just going to be the other side of that storage area. And this is what you get, folks, when you're looking at these Class A's. Tons and tons of what they call basement storage. So last but not least, we do have our propane fill compartment. You always know that one prior to opening it because it does not have a lock. That is for safety reasons. Jump on a ferry, the attendants are going to run by and manually switch this off for you. So, hey guys, thanks for joining me on the inside of this 2019 Winnebago Sunstar. This is the 29 VE model. Absolutely beautiful coach. As I mentioned earlier, we are sitting on the Ford Triton V10 engine, so tons of power. This is the most tried and true chassis in the industry, especially if you're looking at the gas engines. Up here, you've got everything at finger's touch. All of your controls for, you've got your backup camera as well as your side view cameras, all your basic air conditioning, heater controls. On my left-hand side, I know it's a little tougher to see. It's where you're going to have your nightshade, which is going to come up and down, as well as your automatic leveling jacks here, mirror controls, that sort of thing. But very comfortable up here. Everything is done in awesome, awesome leather, or ultra leather, I should say. Something else about Winnebago I might mention is they make all of their furniture in-house. So if you ever ruin something, which is pretty rare in these RVs, you can always just call them up and they'll send you a replacement. Working on back here, we're going to take a look here first. We've got our ultra leather couch. Very nice area, got a nice big window behind. This does fold down into a sleeping area. You do have a little bit of storage up above. Winnebago makes their hinges super, super stout, so that way when you're in transit, you have no worry of these things popping open. As I mentioned, we are in a giant full wall slide as well, so it's really opening up the space in here. We're going to swing over this way. We've got our dinette here. This does break down into an additional sleeping area. Right behind the dinette, we have our flat screen TV. That is an Insignia brand. Nice storage up above. I will open this really quick just to show you. This is going to be all of your satellite receiver needs. I mean, basically you've got transfer to be able to go from the front area back to your bedroom area and all the auxiliary hookups that you're going to need. I'll shut that there. I'm going to switch places. So we are now in the kitchen area. Winnebago in this model gives you the nice double basin stainless steel sink with your stainless steel gooseneck faucet. It does telescope out there to be able to reach your dishes a little bit easier. Nice solid surface countertop. Working back here, you've got your 3-burner stove top there. That's going to run on propane. They do give you the microwave up above as well as oven beneath. So you've got basically everything that you would have in your kitchen at home. Notice all the drawers for storage, tons of storage here, as well as all up above here. Swinging back here, actually before we head back, I'm going to show you the control panel area. Basically you can test all of your levels here. This is where your slide functions, in and out. You do have an inverter control here, that is by Magnum. You've got your thermostat there. And then down below, looks like you've got your battery power control. So this is going to be for your generator there. Swing on back here. We have our nice shower area. I'm going to jump in here just to show you. I'm 6 feet tall, just to show you how much room I have, head space, that sort of thing. I know that's important to a lot of folks. Tons and tons up above. You got your shower on a wand here as well, so you can maneuver very easily. Nice durable glass door there. Tons of counter space. Nice big mirror, as well as you got your commode. So this is an all-in-one bathroom for you, and it just closes here with this door, so all the privacy you need. Swinging back over here, we do have our fridge and freezer combo. I'll open that up for you. The brand is Polar on this. And behind that, you've got your pantry area, top and bottom. Tons and tons of storage, all packed into a little 29 model. Absolutely phenomenal. Back here you've got your wardrobe here. This one also connects, so it is one giant wardrobe area. Hang all your clothes there, and down below you've got drawer space for your foldable clothes. Nice flat screen TV here. Beneath you've got a nice little working area, desk area. There is a plug-in over here should you need to plug in a laptop, that sort of thing. This bedroom does close all the way. You've got a pocket door that's going to shut you off from the rest, so you can have privacy back in the bedroom. Behind me we do have this nice raised queen size bed, ultra comfortable. You do have your own window back here as well if you wanted the natural daylight. So yeah, I'm sure you're going to have a ton more questions on this unit, so give me a call, Justin, here at Johnson RV in Fife, Washington, and our number is 253-286-0833. Hope to talk to you soon.